welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Chrissy here, back in the building. In the building. In the building. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's a girl Chrissy here. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on notifications on so you can be notified when I post my next videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love, your support. I love you guys. Thank you so much, guys. So basically today, guys, as y'all can see in my previous video, I showed you guys that I'm actually going to a hotel. So I'm just going there to relax, just to recuperate, and just to get my mind back on track, because I feel like I really needed it. I've been working like so hard, so much for the past month. I've been working 1 month non-stop without a day off, and I've been so tired and just drained. So I took some time away to come to the hotel just to relax and chill and just like have a good vibe and stuff by myself, just me and me alone. So in this video, guys, I'm about to show you guys what my room is looking like and everything. All right, guys, so I hope that you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. All right, let's get right into the video. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the entrance of my room. This is where we come in the room. All right, so when you turn to your right here, the first thing that you're greeted with is this commander. So I guess, let me see if I can, I can open it. So I guess this is the switch that you can turn on and off if you need to reset anything in your room. I'm not gonna do that. That's most likely for the maintenance and stuff. So yeah, I don't touch it at all. So that's the first thing that you see there. And next to it, I guess you have here where you can hang up your coats and stuff, which is really nice. And you have your do not disturb sign if you need to put it on your door, if you don't want anybody annoying you. I like that they have this coat holder right here, at least because I have a few jackets and coats that I need to hang up. So that is very convenient. I really like it. All right, guys. And the first thing, you turn to your left as you enter the room. As you enter the room, you are greeted with your bathroom. As y'all can see, this is such a beautiful bathroom. So as you guys can see, I do have a hot tub in my bathroom. It is so damn deep, like, oh my god, like you can see that. I don't even know how many inches that is. Like, that is so amazing. I love it. I might use it, I might not, I don't know yet. I think I'm gonna have to use it because I'm on my self-care journey, okay? All right, so those are just me. Look at this. This is so this is so sparkly. Like, you see that this is literally spotless. They did an amazing job with these, an amazing job in cleaning this. This is spectacular. Love it. All right, guys, so that's and then beside the tub, we have our towels that we can use to dry off when we're done with the tub and stuff. And if you even want to use the shower or whatever, you have your extra pairs of towels here. And on top of the towels, they give you bar soaps, and also, what's this? This is body wash. That's nice. So you can, if you don't bring anything here, you can always use those. And then beside it here, you can see that you have your beautiful sink. This sink is to die for. I love the quality of this wood right here. I love the design of it. Like, I love it. And I love the marble here too. It's so smooth and soft and like so clean. Like, they did such an awesome job in cleaning this bathroom, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, guys, so that is the sink right there. They give you some extra hand towels there, and also an extra pair of tissue paper if you need it. And then also they give you an additional towel, body towel right there that you can use. And then on top of the sink, as y'all can see, they also give you another bar soap. So if you're here for multiple days and you want to use more than one or whatever, or if you run out, you also have an additional one right here, which is so nice of them. Yeah. And then above it, we have our beautiful mirror. Like, y'all, could you see me? Like, excuse me? Like, what? This is me. Ooh, Christina. Ooh, this is Christina. Ooh, Christina. Do you know who this is? This is a bad. All right, guys, let's get back into the video. But can y'all, guys, don't play with me. Do you see the quality of this freaking mirror? Like, I love, 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 love the lighting. And it's so perfect for my makeup. Like, y'all guys, look at that. Like, look at my face. Look at my face. You can see literally everything. Everything you can see on my face. Like, there's nothing that's leaving out. Absolutely nothing. It's perfect for makeup. Because it's perfect because I can use it for to see properly at night too. And this is actually nighttime right now, actually, and I'm seeing so well. So I can imagine what the morning time looks like. But yeah, that's our beautiful mirror there with the lights at the back. Amazing. Daylight, you can do your makeup and whatever you need to do with it. You will be able to see properly. All right, guys. So next, we're gonna move on. Below the sink right here, we have a trash can right there that you can put your garbage in, whatever the case is. And then above it, I think this is a safe area where this is a little storage area actually where you can store your other items, which is nice. I really love it. So luxury. Guys, I'm gonna say it again. This wood right here, oh my God, like this is everything and more. Goodness, you did such an amazing job with that. Not gonna lie, I love, love, love it. So I guess you have an extra area here where you can put your stuff up here if you need to. Here they also blessed us with 2 body lotions, 1 shower cap. That's a bonnet. Oh, that's so nice. So I guess when you open it, there's a bonnet, a shower cap bonnet in there. And then this is a makeup remover. And also this is a nail polish remover. Like, let me tell you something. These people are looking out for the girls. These people are definitely looking out for the girls. I love this. Love, love, love it so much because these men don't be showering. These men don't be using these things, okay? So they're catering for a woman like me that wants to do her makeup and needs assistance in doing so. So I appreciate that. I love that they care for us so much to actually bless us with those things. I love that. All right, guys. So below it, you have your tissue, your extra napkins, I think. Yeah, your extra napkins. So if you need to remove her makeup or whatever you need to wipe off or dry up, you have your napkins where you can just pull out one and just other one will pop up. And then below it, you have your charging port, which is so nice. And that's for the bathroom. So nice. So whatever, if you're gonna use your blow dryer or whatever hot comb or whatever the case is, you're able to plug it in right here and use it, which is so amazing. All right, guys, and then to your left down here, as you can see, we have our toilet. It's okay. It's an okay toilet. It's beautiful. Everything amazing. I opened it and it was cleaned very properly. Love it so much. They did such a good job. I can just stress that enough. I can't stress it enough that they did such an awesome job with it, honestly. And then beside it, you have your paper, you have your tissue paper where you can, if you're gonna take or whatever you're gonna do on that toilet there, your tissue paper is close by, you can just grab it. And then above it, you have your foot towel. So if you're gonna go in the shower there, you're allowed to put your foot towel down there, spread it out and just wipe your foot off with the water and stuff when you come out the shower. All right, and then above it, there's a beautiful painting or a beautiful canvas or whatever the case, whatever they wanna call that thing. Beautiful. Love the orange. The orange match back very well with the aesthetics in here because the aesthetics is like brown and beige and it goes well with orange. It's amazing. I love it. And then over to your left here, guys, this is where you take the shower. And as y'all could see, that's what the shower looks like, right? So in the shower, they also gave us body wash again, conditioner and shampoo. And then down here, as y'all could see, this is the shower up there. So you have your shower head, you can remove it and use it freely. Or if you want to leave it up there for the water to come out, you can do just that, right? And then there, this is where you adjust the temperature of the water or turn the water on or anything. And that you have a little thing in the middle right there that you can put your soap or conditioner or whatever you need on it when you're using it, right? So yeah, that's what the bathroom is looking like, guys. And it's, as you can see, it's also a sliding door. So you slide it and go in the shower and close it back. Such a good job. All right, guys, so we're gonna move on to where the magic happens, where the bedroom. So this is what the bedroom is looking like. The first thing you see when you come towards the bedroom is a coffee station area. And here, this is where they gave us, you got some cups and your different sugars, creams, coffees, teas, and everything here, whatever you need, or you can just get it there to make your tea. Also, they gave us a few glasses, a few drinking glasses as well if you need to. If you bring anything back to your room and you need the glasses to drink from, you have that. And then here you have your sink where you can get your water from if you need to rinse anything out or whatever, which is very nice. And then here you have your ice bucket, as y'all could see. There's nothing in there right now. So if you need ice or whatever, you can go grab your bucket and go get ice downstairs, which is very nice. And then down below it, guys, underneath the cupboard here, we do have our mini fridge. Unfortunately, I don't think these people be giving us anything. They're so damn stingy, man. But yeah, this is our mini fridge. So if you go out and you need to bring anything back and put it in the fridge for it not to go bad, you have your little mini fridge you can put it in. Or if you want your juice to be cold or cool, you have your fridge that you can put it into, right? And what's in here actually? Let me see. No, there's nothing in here. It's just underneath the sink. All right, guys. And then to your left right here, this is our bed. This is what our bed is looking like. Over here, we have our nightstand, as y'all can see. And we have our lamp here. You can turn it on, turn it off. Whatever, there we go. Turn it on, turn it off. And then down here, they gave us a few bottles of water. If you're thirsty, you are more than welcome to drink it. And let me see what's in this drawer. There's nothing in this drawer, but I will not stress enough, guys. You see the quality of this thing? Oh my God, like these people are killing me. Oh my God. All right, guys, so beside our night table, we have our beautiful bed. As y'all can see, it's a beautiful king size bed. Amazing. They did a good job in making the bed. As y'all can see, you have some really firm pillows here. Yep. And then the headboard is pretty amazing quality. Like, it's beautiful. I love it. And then on the opposite side of the bed, you also have another side table there with the lamp there. You can turn it on, turn it off, whatever you need to. And yeah, I don't think there's anything in the drawer there. And then on top of the nightstand, you do have your alarm clock. So if you need to go anywhere and you don't have your phone or whatever, you're welcome to turn your alarm clock on or set your alarm so it can remind you to do whatever you need to do. Okay, guys, so beside the bed, I haven't gone into here yet. There is your beautiful closet. A beautiful extra closet in here. Let's see what they have. Oh, nice. That's amazing. So in here, they gave us some extra robes. They gave us some extra robes. And you have your iron there, your iron board. And then in the middle of this, you have your bedside slippers that you can wear. And you have some extra hangers if you need to hang anything in there. So that's what the closet is looking like. Right? All right, guys. So, and then beside the closet, you do have an extra room chair that you can sit on to relax, chill, do whatever you need to do your work or whatever the case is. You are welcome to do that in the chair here. And guys, because I'm in the executive suite and I'm literally on top, the view outside, guys, I need y'all to see something. So this is the view. Y'all see this? Guys, this is the view from my room. Like, you can see all of downstairs. Oh my God, it's so hard for you guys to see, but y'all can see. Look at that. I'm literally on the 7th floor. And I can see everything down there. They're like elevators, different stores. I think this is the place where I want to eat. As y'all can see right there, it says eat, whatever. I'm gonna eat down there tonight for supper. But guys, can y'all see this view? Like, excuse me. Look at the elevator moving. Y'all see it? Yes, period. Yes, so that's the view from my room. Like, you can't talk to me. You cannot talk to me. All right, guys, and beside the chair, we do have a beautiful mirror, long mirror that you can see your whole body. So whenever you put your outfit on, as y'all can see, I look good as shit. Like, excuse me? Yes, today's mighty. Leave me alone. All right, guys, so yeah, they do have a long mirror for all the way from up there to down at the bottom there, as y'all can see. And then they do have a seating area where you can sit and look directly in the mirror if you need to, or if you need to try on something, you do have your seating area there that you can try it on from. What's inside here? It's an extra storage space that you can put things in. I don't need to put anything in there, but if you do need to, you do have that option as well. And then turn to your right here, guys. There is a few things here. First thing that y'all can see is the first desk. And then on top of the desk, guys, you do have your phone that you need to call if you need to call customer service, front desk, or whatever the case is. They gifted you a notepad if you need to leave a note for the housekeeping or front desk or whoever you need to leave it to. You do have that option. And on top of the table, ooh, that was shocking. On top of the table, you do have an area where you can plug in your devices and see. And it actually was built in. And it was built in the table, which is so cool. And then you have an area where you can plug your USB into. If you don't have a charger, you can plug your USB and you can charge your phone, which is very nice. And then beside it, guys, this is a lamp. So you can turn it on if you need to. So if you're just say you're at the table here and you need to do work, you can always turn it on. Look, there we go. So you can always turn it on to see whatever you're seeing, whatever you're doing if you're using the table, right? All right, and then beside it, guys, in front of it, you do have your desk chair that you can just sit there and do whatever you need to do. And beneath it, you do have your few trash cans there that you can dispose anything that you need to dispose. All right, guys, and next beside it, we do have our dresser or half dresser, as y'all can see, and we do have a 65-inch TV here, which is amazing. You are gifted with your remote there. This is just my key and my laptop there. But yeah, this is a Samsung 65-inch TV, and it's on top of the dresser. And if you need to put anything in the dresser, you're welcome to do so. Lots of storage, like amazing seat, lots of storage under there. And you also have the small ones that you can just take out or pull out and then put your stuff in it if you need to, right? And then, guys, last but not least, this is my favorite part of the room. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna show you guys why. So guys, so this is why this is my favorite part of the room here, because this here it's actually a door. You can open it and it's gonna show you like everything that's in the bathroom. Look at this. Like, you're able to sit here. If you have anyone here, you can talk to anybody here. Or if you're even in your jacuzzi, you can sit in here, chill, and see what's going on inside the room. Like, isn't that so cool? Love that. Not gonna lie. They did their thing with this shit here. They did their thing, and I give them like good damn ass credit. I'm gonna give them a good freaking tip, because this room is like to die for. You hear me? I love it. So I'm gonna probably use it tomorrow anyways to take a bath or whatever the case is. So yeah. And you can close it back up just like that. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the room tour. How about you guys like the room? Let me know what you think about it. If you have a chance, if you would actually book with a room like this or a hotel like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, I appreciate you making it all the way to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell it to your friends, your brothers, sisters, everybody to come and subscribe to my channel today, guys. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be having a giveaway for you guys, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. I can hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here is what